Again, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to just be reviewing YouVersion. This is my go-to Bible app. There's a lot of apps in the Play Store, but I think this is one of the best ones. Let's open up and check it out. Here we are on the home page. From right here, you get a quick snapshot of your activity on the app. You can click on it and get a little better detail about how many days you actually use this app. And you get rewarded for like the streaks and how many perfect weeks you have. Just to encourage you to use it, I always try to set my reminders for the daily devotionals. I'll show you what those are. So every day you're gonna get a verse of the day, and with that you can click on it, and it's just gonna give you a verse to kind of ponder on through the day. Like this, today's verse is 1 Peter 1:14-15, and I use the NIV version, but you could also try different versions as well. Today, also, you can use an image with it. You can use the one that's the default one right here, or you can actually download your own. You can use any one of these preloaded images right here, or you can choose any image on this, and you can download it and share it to your social media or wherever you want. Let's look at the Bible itself. Through this Bible right here, if you want to find a scripture, you click on the little drop down menu right here at the top left hand corner. You can easily find any scripture you're looking for in the Bible. Once you find a scripture you're looking for, just click on it. You can find the chapter and the verse. Once you find your verse, you can scroll down and start reading it. Or if you like to listen to the verse, you can click on the little play button right here, and it'll read it out to you.
The letter of 1 Peter, chapter 1.
When you find a verse you want to highlight, it's easy to do that. Just hold down on the verse, and from there you have options. You can choose your color, you can share it, you can compare the images. So I like to use the yellow to highlight it. One thing about the compare verse is pretty cool. If you hit that, you compare the same verse in different translations. Like this one's the American Standard, the King James Amplified. So you can get a deeper understanding of the verse by reading in other translations and see how it might be worded a little different. Maybe you can get something different out of it than you did in the verse you're reading. Next, let's go to a daily devotional plans. So this is a list of my plans right here. I have also some saved plans that I plan on getting to. When you completed plans, these are some of the ones I've already completed. Now, finding a plan is easy to do. You can go in here and you can pick popular subjects right here. Also, if you need help, just hit the help me find a plan. There's a breakdown of different categories that you might want to look into. So like if you just say you want to learn more about prayer, here are some recommended plans that the app will give you. There's so many other features of this app that I just don't have time to go through it right now. But when you download, just enjoy yourself and find the different features that this app has. I highly recommend it. So if you will, just give this video a like. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.